James, what do you have there? Is that a paintbrush?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Painting that.
You're painting Max.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Not hard. Not hard, James.
I'm getting the bugs.
You're getting the bugs. You have bugs on you, Max?
I got them.
Are you done?
Nope.
All right, Max, let him do it. Maxie.
Yeah, I'm done.
I think he wants some more.
I'm done. Maybe he wants some.
Okay, he wants to do you now. Go ahead. Oh, you're going to paint your feet now?
Well, I forgot his belly. I forgot his belly. Stand up. Yeah. Not do it. Your belly button. You want to take the pencil? I want to take the pencil. I want to take the pencil of you. I want to take the pencil of you, guys. I want to take the pencil. No, not me. No.
Bless you.
I don't like you. I don't like you doing that.
No.
I want to take the pencil of you.
You're covering it up, buddy. All right.
I want pencil.
Hold on.
What
You
button?
gotta move your hand. Move your hand. Say hi, Max. Say hi.
What button?